Every night when I lie in bed,
Oh no.
I see pictures dancing in my head.
Pictures sleep.
Buddy Bert,
What?
buckle up and we'll fly away.
Whoa!
Yeah! We're adventuring every time the bed starts tapping. Something special's gonna happen.
This is kind of catchy.
My favorite kind of traveling.
Yeah, we're adventuring. Come along with Bert and Ernie. We're gonna take a little journey. Bert and Ernie's Great Adventures. The Bird Games. Isn't this exciting, Bernice? Ernie, what are you doing in a duck suit? You're not a bird.
Oh, I know that, Bert, but I'm Rubber Ducky's coach. What's with Bernice?
I think she's a little nervous about competing. It's her first time.
Well then, maybe you should dress up as a pigeon, Bert. Cheer her on like I'm cheering Rubber Ducky. Rah, 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 sis, boom, bah. You know.
Our first event is the squawking competition.
Better get going. Good luck, Bernice.
Dress up as a pigeon? Now that's really absurd, isn't it?
Bert?
I know, I look ridiculous, but anything to help my Bernice. Oh, nonsense. You'll be great at this.
Okay, birds, ready, set, squawk, and they're off. Look at that turkey puff up. Can he gobble for the gold?
Gobble.
That was an interesting effort.
Come on, Bernice. Coo.
Bernice, Rubber Ducky thinks you might want to put a little more oomph into it. Like this.
Listen to that ducky squeak. Now that is a squeak you can dance to. And the winner is the Rubber Duck.
What do you know, Rubber Ducky? You won!
Oh, don't be frustrated, Bernice. You'll do great in the next one.
Our next event is speed pecking. The first bird to finish their bowl of birdseed will be the speed peck winner.
This is your event, Bernice. You're a natural birdseed pecker.
Birds, ready, set, peck. And they're off. The Rubber Duck doesn't seem very hungry. But what about that pigeon? Whoa! Look at that turkey go! And the winner is the turkey.
Maybe pecking just isn't your event, Bernice.
Now for the final event, fancy flying.
Hey, you're a great flyer. Come on.
What's that, Rubber Ducky? You want to sit this one out? Okay. Good luck, Bernice.
All birds, ready, set, fancy fly. And the turkey's off. He's flying. He's flying. He's not flying. But wait, what's this? She has laid an egg.
Come on, Bernice. Like this. Flap, flap.
Wow, the little pigeon has saved the big one. Now that's what I call flying.
Keep going, Bernice. Show them your stuff.
Go, Bernice, go!
The crowd's gone wild. She's flying backwards. She's going for a loop-de-loop. What's this? The pigeon dance in midair? No doubt about it. Our winner is the little pigeon, Bernice.
Yay! All she needed was a little confidence.
Good job, Bird Olympians. You're all winners today.
You were a great coach, Bert. Not to mention a very fine pigeon. Good night, Bert.
Good night, Ernie. Uh-oh.